Guys, cuatro mañana que tú guys, welcome back to Juan Boy. So guys, so this will be another premiere on my channels, but this is for Juan Boy anyway. You can hear it too. But well, so if you have to wait, everything is a pattern of 4 face cam, 2 face, 3 face, 3 videos face cam. But well, they like us to premiere. But if upload it, then it will be face cam my next video. If it's not premiere, like I got it changed. But I'm not sure of this, but you know, so that's just back. Okay, that's also, okay. So it's gonna come to like Kentucky and Ohio and nothing like that in the cup. And right now, it is like right here by Tuesday 1 p.m. because it's to the time. And then we as you can see, we are so close to a storm. But the warning said that we could get some rain and everything like that, and some storm surge and everything like that where I live. Now also cold means we're not gonna get nothing. I think that we're gonna get something because that's what the warning said. Yeah, and then it will come Thursday. It will be affected almost all Louisiana, but that's where I live. Yeah. West Virginia, and right there they know Saturday. So well, but I'm scared if some tropical storm or something they come at night because I'm so scared of like lightning and anything like that. And even if it's hard, I mean not hard but loud. But now let's go to Marco. Okay, so it's a hurricane, but it's not in a hurricane center. It was something else. But so it says. So as you can see, let me zoom back. I know I keep forgetting. Well, it's only like for Texas as this, and then right now, so it's in the ocean right now. But when I go for Mexico, I think, but we are just a little bit. We're just like some miles away from me, like away. And I said warning for Morgan City, and I also like that name. And all of these, but well, and then it's gonna come by Wednesday, 12 a.m. 12 at night, or I believe what? I said what because my mom was calling me, but well, guys. So yeah. So it's gonna go by Houston. I have family in Houston or Texas. Or Dallas. Let's see, where is it? Okay, so here it is. Has zoomed in too much. What? My phone is kinda glitchy. That's why. But well, right here. Right there. Obviously I can see. But guys, so it's supposed to. So now it is in the ocean, as you can see. But and let's see where we are. Okay, maybe told y'all. Okay, so it's like PM, and we'll be in the ocean about to go, and that's why I think in right now they had some evacuations already. Okay, so now let's go to the National Hurricane Center maps and everything. See if something changed. Well, it was tornado. Okay, let's focus on where we are looking right now. Okay, so it has changed. So we could get 4 or 2 inches of rain. And I would like 2 inches because 4 2, but that feet because our house is, as I said in the previous premiere, our house is elevated 4 feet. 30 feet. I'm sorry, but well, and so you can see right here because I'm the person that tells you anything. I don't need YouTube and Google. You just have to turn it to Google and then you press a link, and that's how fast. Well, still it's tropical storm, and I'll see to the wind power already. Where like in the 50 miles per hour. And yes, also you could see. And now, let's go to the wind speed if it would be a hurricane. Okay, good. I would be in the 5 miles per hour. That's like normal, right? Let's see. Yeah. 5 really, that's nothing, guys. Really. Or 10, but still, that's normal. Kind of normal. But this is good. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so. Okay, now let's see this. Okay, it could come a force winds Wednesday, 8 a.m. maybe, or just like 6 a.m. Wednesday. But well, you pause it and see for yourself if you live in Louisiana. Okay, so now let's see the wind history. Tropical storm is no hurricane, and I'm making public. Okay, you can see right there. Something. Now let's see. This is the cone map. Okay, so we're just barely out of it. Barely, like barely. But well, it's for yourself, and guys, it is that here in New Orleans, Louisiana, it will come to today Monday afternoon. Guys, we should already be preparing. But well, guys, but still, I will do it in another place. I'm not taking my mask. Obviously, I have to do no face cam videos. I'm gonna try to not reveal my face. Nothing but. So now, okay, so now let's go for like images. And it's also in the warning that it could come down in the cone, but that will happen. Okay, now the wind, you can see that for yourself. And then this tropical storm force, tropical storm warning. Okay, you can see it for yourself. I think we saw this, yep. Now see flash flood potential. So right here, 10% slight. Day 1, right here was 5% marginal, and then it was 10% slight, and now we're in 5% marginal. It's all my people have been pretty moderate. So if you live by Morgan City, or because I believe that there's like around there, the 10% moderate. So you need to take some proper precautions today if you live in Louisiana, New Orleans, please. And then the tornado, let's see the tornado probabilities. Today or tonight. Okay, so I can read that. Large hell, no. Okay, so let's see. So right here, it could happen a tornado. Well, guys, this is why this is called that 2020 could happen whatever bad stuff. Okay, maybe a very long video, and now let's move on. Okay, let's wait. See, you're done. Trigger tropical storm. Okay, I love that. You can see that. So yes, so now let's go to Marco. As you can see, it's now how been downgraded to a tropical storm once again. Right here, it might come to us like the tropical storm Laura. But well, so yeah, you can see that, and then going to like Houston. Okay, so now let's see the wind. You can pause it and see. Now let's see the wind probabilities. We are in like the orange, which is 60 or 70 miles per hour. But well, or we're in 40 or 50. But well, so yeah, so you can see the risk. I mean, what happens if you press on it? Okay, so now let's go back. Okay, so now the winds. So the winds could come where we live like at around 6 p.m. But well guys, so you can see it right there. Right here now. Let's do the wind history. Therefore, wind trust of Marco. Okay, in the tropical storm, you can see right there. Pause it. And now, let's see. Let's wait. Okay, that looks like a book. I don't have to. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so that's 39 miles per hour. Big old. And the tropical storm warning for some. But it's too very Lafayette, like the storm. And there's storm surge warning. But wait, I can see right there. Or I think the one, this as I said looks like a butt or like a lemon. And that one is could potential post tropical. And but wait. So yeah, so now let's go to static images. It was the same as the tropical storm. You can see right there and pause it. Okay, so there is tropical storm force and a tropical storm warning for parts, but it's not for me. And now let's see storm surge inundation. And also a comment that says 24 hours there could be a difference. Okay? And there's a zone in certain wetlands. Some of the comments section, what is that? But well, I'm gonna search it after this. So I'm gonna take a picture. So now I went to the storm surge warning, okay. So right here there's only tropical storm warning. But well. And let's go to the peak deposit and then peak storm surge forecast right here. It might 2 to 4 feet, 2 to 4 feet. They use 2 to 4 feet. But well guys, so this is it. So yeah guys, so very happy for Arya coming out to a premiere, live premiere. But well guys, so they have to keep informed because of these hard times. So yeah guys, so I say so be safe and I'll be safe. And wish me luck, and too I wish you luck. So yeah guys, I can see you in the next video. Bye bye.